Guys, this is Wanda with Pretty Cute Press, and I wanted to come in and give you a quick tutorial on how to use the bookmark overlay templates if you're using Canva. So I've hopped into my Canva account and I went down to create a design, and I went over to custom size. I'm going to change this to inches. I'm going to put my width as 11 and my height as 8.5. And then I'm going to create new design. Okay. And so now I have a blank page. So I'm going to find my overlay and drag and drop it into my Canva account. Once that's uploaded, I'm going to bring it over here and just stretch this out. And you may, just so that you can see it better, you may want to change your background to a different color. So if I change that to gray, I can easy see my template easier. Okay, so from here, if you have your own digital paper, you can do the same thing as in uploading it and dropping it into Canva. I'm just gonna look for some abstract paper design backgrounds as an example, but if you have something that you already own and you want to use, you can definitely use that. I'm gonna look, and in case you didn't know, anytime you see a crown, that's a pro element, so you want to be mindful of using those. I'm gonna look in photos real quick, and I'm gonna set my filter to free. Okay, so I like this. And now you see what just happened? It overtook my template. So I'm going to undo that. And I'm going to take my picture and drop it there. And then I'm going to right click on layers and send it to the back. And then I'm going to bring my template up. And just like that, I have created bookmarks. So from there, you can go in if you want to add text. You can add your text, and you would just be sure that you would put your text within the frame for each bookmark. Put whatever text it is that you want. You can also add additional images if you had, clip art or something that you wanted to add to it. You would just make sure that it's within each of those frames in there. And then from there, you would simply go to share, download, and decide on what format you want to download your image in. Whether you want it to be JPEG, PNG, PDF standard, PDF print, that's totally up to you. So that's a quick and easy way to make bookmarks using Canva with this overlay template. Now, if you didn't have a background, let's say, delete this. What you could do is just use these as little highlights and put your images and text in here. And if you wanted different color backgrounds in there, you could create rectangles of colors that you want. And then push that. And then I'm going to duplicate this one. Then I'm going to send this to the back. And then if I wanted this one to be a different color, and send it to the back. like that. So that's a different way to utilize it if you wanted to be using different color backgrounds. Also in the shop, I have a different bookmark template that is actual a drag and drop Canva frames, where each one of these you would just drop your images in there. So that's another option for you. Anyway, if you have any questions, let me know. I hope this quick tutorial was helpful, and see you next time. Bye bye.